from coast to cruise.
Oh my God, that was so much fun!
What is going on, Coaster Crew fans? We are here at SeaWorld Orlando. We've been invited for a special hard hat tour right here of the new Pipeline coaster opening this spring, right here at SeaWorld. So we're gonna head in there to check in. Oh look, there's Austin and Nick. We're gonna head in and check it out.
So, welcome to Pipeline, the surf coaster. This is a first of its kind surf coaster experience. You'll get a genuine feeling of surfing on 2,950 feet of track. Now, along that 110-second journey, you'll experience 5 airtime wave jumping moments. And to my right, you'll see the first car of our 2 trains. We have 2 trains in our maintenance bay here, and each train has 6 cars with up to 4 passengers. This is a really unique and great train design because there is no middle row. So every rider will get that full surf experience as we go. And as you've probably seen by now from the animations that we've released and things like that, this ride is patented, first of its kind design, where you actually are standing, but it's not like any standing coaster you've ever experienced before. You'll have some floating motion that's relative to the rider's height. And our minimum height is 54 inches for this ride. And that'll give each rider a unique experience where that floating will be slightly different every time you ride throughout those airtime moments. You'll notice a trend by Mark.
All right, well, that closes out today's construction tour update right here at SeaWorld Orlando. Pipeline surf coaster opening this spring. Date to be determined, but stuff is moving along really quickly out there, and we expect it to open sooner than later. If you like what you saw today, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Click that bell for future notifications on future videos. And of course, like us on all of our other social media at Coaster Crew for Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And we'll see you guys real soon.